Hello guys, so welcome to today's project. We are going to be making a DHT, temperature and humidity sensor and indicator. So let's start. So we are going to need LEDs and 220 ohm resistors. So we already have two resistors over here. So I'm going to check extra resistors. So let's find extra resistors. It's only one extra resistor, actually not many. So here is our 220 ohm resistor. And we are going to need LEDs. So LEDs, they are down here. So how many LEDs do you want? You want a green, a yellow, and a red. So let me just take the LEDs. So that's a red. Now we want a green. So here is a green. And now we also want a yellow. I don't see any yellow in here, but I know it's probably hiding somewhere. So let's search for it. Okay, I don't can't see it here. So, but otherwise, let's take our DHT sensor. So it's over here. This is our DHT sensor, which is the sensor we are going to be using today. Yeah, I think this is going to be a nice project because you can fit our sensor onto the breadboard. This is the sensor, so we are going to put the sensor like, let me put here. Okay, so the sensor is been fixed. Now we want to put the LEDs, so the ground is common. So ground and someone with the green starts. So let's say something, and then now we need a yellow LED. So this is our yellow LED. So we are going to do the same. So now we have put this. We now need to connect our this part to this part, and then this part to this part. Okay, let me just do. Okay, I don't think I need to do what I have to do. And then lastly, this part to that part. So our LEDs are done, and now we are going to be connecting the DHT. So the ground is common. So ground to our ground, and then the data. Okay, so for the data I'm going to be connecting it the other side. So I take this guy here, then I put it here. That is our data. And lastly, the positive is being connected as well. So the VCC is going to be connected here. So this is how it looks now. So now we are going to start connecting to our Arduino. So we are going to connect like as follows. We are going to be connecting from this is the what? This is the data. We are going to be connecting to pin number 2. So 0, 1, 2, like that. So data to pin number 2. And then after that we are going to be connecting the VCC to 5 volts. VCC to 5 volts. And then ground is just common for everything. So from the ground to the ground, ground. We won't hit the ground. Even if we fall, we won't fall to the ground. And then now we are going to be connecting the green. We are going to connect pin number 3. So green to pin number 3. And then yellow to yellow. Okay, let me change yellow and red. Yellow is to be connected to pin number 4. And then red is to be connected to pin number 5. Okay, so this one is shorter, so we need a longer one. And we find this longer one. We connect to pin number 5. So this is our circuit. Now we are going to try and see if it's working. So we do this and we put our code. So it's uploading our code inside. Okay. So now let's try to do the testing. Is everything connected? Okay, let's do our activation. Positive with a positive. GND. Okay, so let me fix. I think there is something wrong with my DHT. Let's try and fix it. Okay, so the project is finished, and I was having very hard time because my like jumper wires, the ones which I bought, I don't know, they are not so intact, meaning that they are loose, and so it wasn't like really working when I first started. But then I have tried to fix it. Now you can see my wiring is bad, but otherwise I'm reading here. The temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. It's now 18 degrees Celsius, and the humidity is 95. So there is so much humid. I mean, we're in winter, so there is humid and as well as low temperature. But now, if I start to check for the humidity, I can do this. I'm like breathing near it. Now the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Now 21, 22, 23, 25. 26, 28, 29, 30, 'So it's working. So now let's try to change our code so that it uses LEDs as well. Let's see if we can change our code. So the green LED is on, as you can see. Do you see that the green LED is on? Now let me try to breathe there so that we see what happens. Now the yellow LED is on because we are now around 25 degrees Celsius. It's now at 27 actually. So let me try to breathe even more. Red is on now. So at 30, the red becomes on. Now if I just leave it alone like this, it's going to start switching on one by one. So now we are below 30 degrees Celsius. As we go down, now at 28, 28, 27, 27, 27, 26. Now look at 25, 26, 26, 25, 25, 25, 25, 124. 24 it becomes off. And then now, if it even falls lower, if it becomes lower, like the green LED should like turn off, it becomes too low. But then I can't create those conditions now. but I'm going to test for you another day with really different temperatures, also using my heater. But otherwise, so what happens with this system is when we reach 25 degrees Celsius, the yellow LED is supposed to turn on. When we reach 30, the red one. So we are going to test with boiling water. So over here, I'm pouring boiling water inside. And then obviously, you know, the temperature is supposed to be increasing. So I want you to keep an eye on the components. So now let's do so here. So the temperature is increasing slowly. It was around 16 degrees Celsius. Now it's on 22, 23, 24, 26. You see the yellow LED is now on. And 27, 28, 29, 30. Now it's on. So the system works. So this system is measuring the humidity and also the temperature. As you can see, the LEDs turn on because of the temperature rise, but the humidity is being indicated in the system. I can see now the humidity is around 95%, and it can go as high as 100. It's actually increasing to 100 because it's humid. There is water there. So like, this is called a DHT sensor. Make sure you follow so that you don't get to miss more projects coming. Thank you.